Hello everyone, so today we're going to be looking at this, which is the Lightning Lids tin. I'm assuming you get exclusive cards here. Oh, I want that one, the Lando one. And you get some other exclusives in here. But let's get it open and have a look. Oh, that tin's nice. I like that. That's cool. So I'm assuming our limited editions are in here. Let's have a look at them. Now, if you want to give me the Lando card of the tin, the helmets, I'd be very happy. Lewis Hamilton Amethyst, Nico Hülkenberg Gold, Jack Doohan Opal, Charles Leclerc Ruby, the Lando Norris Papaya, and the Aquamarine Lance Stroll. Is that not the thing that we got in... I think that we got the wrong pack in there. I think that we got the... Did we get that pack? Because we got the Lando Norris. Did we get the wrong insert pack in there? I feel like we might have, but we'll see. We will see. We have a McLaren on the back, so please be Lando. Have we got any... We've got a couple of pinks in there, but we've got no numbered cards out of all of these ones that I got from Silverstone. So that is not good. Sorry, Lance Stroll is looking at me and I just want to throw him away. Stars of Tomorrow, Luke Browning, F175, Champion Max Verstappen, Kick Sauber. I can never pronounce this name and I don't want to offend anyone by not being able to pronounce it, but Emerson Fittipaldi, Max Verstappen, Williams, Arvid Lindblad, Icons of the Grid, Lewis Hamilton, Tops Awards, Pole Position of the Year, Carlos Sainz, Mercedes, Strategy, I'm just going to kind of skip through quite a lot of these, National Pride, all the ones that we've kind of seen already. McLaren, Pole Position, Lando, Abu Dhabi, go in my pile, you can go over there. Rodin, Dutch Grand Prix, Pole Position, Nico Hülkenberg, Charles Leclerc, Fernando, Gerhard Berger, Sprint Superstar Lando Norris, go in my pile. Alex Albon, we have Stars of Tomorrow, Arvid Lindblad, that's a cool card, like that. Supernova, Oscar Piastri, Supernova. Got a Max Verstappen, pink Supernova, pretty cool. Oh, and here are our thingy cards. So I'm hoping that this last card is Lando's helmet. So we have Jack Doohan, these look cool. Sorry, it's trying to focus on Max Verstappen's face down here. Let's move him out of the way. So we have Jack Doohan, these are really cool. Nico Hülkenberg, Isaac Hadjar, and please let this last card be Lando's helmet. Yay! So we got Lightning Lids, Lando Norris. That's my favourite. So glad that we got Lando's. So that can go in my pile. And that is everything I got from Silverstone. No numbered cards, not even one numbered card. Out of God knows how many packs. I got one signature style and it was Lance Stroll. So yeah, my favourite card that I got was probably this one actually, because I feel like this is... I didn't get any other ones like this. Diamond Pull. That's probably my favourite card. I don't know how rare these are, but I've only seen one of the Diamond Pull cards and it happened to be Lando Norris. But yeah, that's everything. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want some more of this kind of content. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.